More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family and...
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 10 steps for a young man to become a great man. This handbook is for young men from the ages of 13 to 25 years old. The information in the book will cover things that every man needs to know and be aware of as they go through life. Having this information collected all in a handy book at your fingertips will be priceless. Not having to slowly learn all about the things covered in the book puts each man ahead of the game. It definitely gives any man an advantage over other men that don't know these important things. There are a lot of common sense knowledge information that we think every man would know. The truth is that young men tend to act like they know but really don't. So I decided to put it all in this book to make it easy for every young man not to have to put on the front. Help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
Having this handbook will ensure that they know and have relevant information. This information will set them out on a path to become a great man. If you present this handbook to any young man in your life, it will show that you care about them. There are a lot of ways we learn things in life. Everyone learns at their own pace and in different ways. Some people learn by seeing, some by reading, and others hearing, and others by doing. Once they have this handbook, their development will take on a mature level of purpose. Let's set them off on a clear path to greatness by giving them this handbook. I don't believe that it would be a waste of time or money to give any young man this handbook. The handbook should be given to any young man that people want to help become a great man. Someone's son, brother, nephew, cousin who's younger. The handbook and the information inside can enlighten a young man on his journey through life. Do the right thing. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words, his bonds will stand with thee.